everyone. Welcome to Scratch Coding Ninja. Hello guys, so today's video is going to be not about any blocks, but I'm going to be talking about not talking about, but I'm going to be let's just make a game together. That's what I'm thinking of. So I'm thinking of making a ping pong game. The first thing you want to do is you just choose a background. For example, I'm thinking of doing nebula. Close bright one, delete it. Uh, yeah, and choose a ball, and two paddles. Paddle, right click, duplicate. So, what you want to do with the paddles is that set their size to 150, and so is this one. One of them is gonna be a computer one, and one of them is gonna be you, yeah. So, just put it wherever you want. Here and point towards direction 0. Yeah, negative 80 and y 0. And same with this. 80 and 0. And also turn the direction. Yeah, now we have this. Now what we want our command to do is that on the pedal, what you want is that if we click if if the up arrow is pressed, then change y by, let's say, 5, or actually 3. Duplicate, down arrow, pressed, down arrow, negative 3, and all of this should be wrapped inside a forever loop. So, yeah, this goes up and this also goes down. I purposely made this like this hard, and this your computer is supposed to be invincible because this just follows all the time the Y position of the ball. So when green flag is clicked, um, set Y to sensing. We are gonna use this block back. We want to change the stage to ball and the Y position. Set Y to the Y position of ball. And this should also be wrapped in a forever loop. Yeah. Now we created the paddles. Now we want to create the and also we want to make sure that this goes at the right position at first. And so is this. This 0. Yeah. Eighty 0. Hmm. Um, Okay, never mind about that, but now we want this ball to bounce around the space. So we want to do when green flag is clicked, go to X0, Y0, point, point, in direction, want it to be random. So let's say it's gonna be negative 120. Forever loop, move 5 steps, move 5 steps if on edge bounce. Yeah, that's done for now. And we want another one which will say that if touching the paddles, then it'll also bounce. So when green flag's clicked, if touching paddle, then turn 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Again, duplicate it, except we also do paddle 2, and wrap it all up in a forever loop. Yeah. Now, when we play this, we're just basically playing the ping pong game, and it works pretty fine. So so let's say that we have a game over. We want to have a game over. I mean, like, I don't think it will be right if a game does not have a game over, like in some way to fail. So let's make one. So first we want to make sure that we want to have some rectangles on the sides, so that later on we can program this to be like, if touching red, then show your game, then show get the game over part. Alright, so we have our 2 red lines. So let's make another command on the ball. When green flag is clicked, oh, wait, what? No, we don't want this here. When green flag is clicked, if touching, touching color red, then we have this game over song. So what I want you to do is that you go into the internet and search for an MP3 game over song. So I mean, I've already downloaded it. So what you want to do is you go to the sounds tab. Go to choose a sound. Sorry. Go to upload sound, and then you get your song. It's a bit long. It's like 11 seconds. 10 seconds. So then you have your song. Also, and please pause the video if you want to search for a song and you haven't downloaded a song yet. Okay, now that you have downloaded the video song MP3, then you have to go to what you want to do is you go to Control, Stop, Other Scripts in Sprite, Sounds, Game Over Theme, Sounds, Play Sound, Game Over until done, and then stop all. Yeah, now let's check it out. Alright, now I'm just gonna purposefully get myself failed. Oh. Oh yeah, and also we forgot to wrap this up in a forever loop. Won't work if that happened. Let's just do it again. So yeah, that's basically it. So I hope that you enjoyed the video and bye bye. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified when I upload my next video.